Hello everyone, I decided to make a short presentation of my project which I worked on during a mini game jam which was held on 26th and 27th of November 2016, this weekend, here in Munich, Germany. So yeah. The first thing that I would like to mention is that the theme of the game jam was Randerscheinung, right? So the meaning of this word actually doesn't have a really good translation into any of the languages that I speak, but it took us around 5 minutes to understand what it means from the German guys. It actually means something on the edge, something in the background, something not essential, right? So after a couple of like maybe 10 or 15 minutes of brainstorming, I came up with this idea of a game. It's a puzzle game. And here we have a small setup of the game. These are bombs. This is a blocker. This is a spaceship or character, whatever, and this is a base. So the idea of the game is to move the ship to the base, but we cannot move it directly. We cannot touch it directly. All we can touch is the other bombs, and we have just one touch per level. So the challenge is to tap a bomb. The bomb will explode and make waves, and the other bombs which are affected by the wave will also explode and create waves which will move this ship to the base. Right, so we can have bombs static and movable. We can the functionality of the game is also really easily extendable to make bombs vertically and horizontally explodable. The main character might also shoot, to destroy bombs or whatever. It might also we might also have an enemy character which also would shoot, and it would be an obstacle, shooting obstacle. This blocker is a dump obstacle which just stops the propagation of waves, and the target zone might also be movable, but in this setup I made it static. And the bomb itself also is like a spot bomb. It explodes and it's a movable bomb, but it only explodes and creates waves around it. So any objects around the bomb will be affected, will be moved, right? And for example, if this bomb explodes, this bomb will move here and it will also explode. Alright, so I went to this mini game jam with the idea to create something in VR or AR. I didn't know exactly what it would be and in what kind of team I would work. I was open to any interesting ideas, but since nobody was interested in AR or VR, I decided to go on myself and create this project. I estimated that I would finish the basic functionality of this project if I would have worked on myself, and if I had someone in the team, we would make even much better progress, more progress overall with graphics and stuff. But yeah, since I was alone, all I did is the basic stuff. So anyhow, I decided to go on and check out the Vuforia framework. It's made by Qualcomm, I think. Well, I checked out the code, but before the mini game jam, I didn't even touch Vuforia. I've heard about it. I've checked out like a couple of videos on internet, but I didn't even install it and whatever. So I didn't check it out how it works, and yeah. So it was also an interesting experience with that. What I started from is investigation of Vuforia, then the stuff that I didn't know, and yeah, I came up. First of all, I came up with the marker for setup, level setup. This was the first marker that I came up with. But it turned out that it doesn't really work with that kind of markers. What's bad with this marker is that it has very little details, so it doesn't have really much details as Vuforia likes it. And also it is like it's repeating, right, and it's symmetrical and stuff. So what the engine of Vuforia likes is a complex image like this one, a complex image with contrast, with elements which do not repeat, and the complexity of the image has to be distributed uniformly within the image itself, within the marker. So let's just start up the app, and I will just show you the result. So within the mini game jam, I finished a couple of levels, the first two levels and the basic functionality, and the first two levels I could present it to the guys who participated on the event, and they were really excited to see that kind of stuff. But still, there were some issues that I had to fix, and now they're fixed. And I also added a new level, a third level. So this is the first level, really simple one. Let me show it to you. Right, really simple level. Which is actually like a tutorial. You cannot lose here. You just tap the bomb and it will move the ship to the target zone, right? So let's just tap it. Right, so now we can restart. We won. We move to the next level. This is a marker. Right. So here we have a little bit more complex setup. 2 bombs, 2 ships, and 2 zones. If we engage this bomb, we will lose, because the ships do not even touch the base. Alright, so let's restart and check what this bomb does. So it moves all the ships to their bases. Let's move to the next level. This is the last level. Oh, sorry for Skype. And the next level is a little bit more complex, as I've set it up on these days or yesterday. So yeah, we have lots of bombs, 5 spaceships, and one blocker and just two bases, so two target bases here and here. So what I will just engage the right bomb and we'll see the result. Yippee, so we won. So yeah, this is my presentation. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the results. Yeah, the results could have been better if I had a team. If I had someone to work with the graphics and add up some special effects and stuff, but I didn't have much time for that myself. I could do it myself, but I didn't have much time. So yeah, I just remained with this static objects like bombs and ships and whatever you can see here. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for your time and I hope you liked it. Bye.